Hello viewers, on this video I will show how to make a Google or Gmail account on your mobile phone. So I open an internet browser, type on the address bar account.google.com/signupmobile. Press on the enter. Type here my phone number. Press the next. Google sent a text message on my mobile phone. I copy this message link, paste on the browser address bar. Write here first name, last name, date of birth, select my gender and press the next button. Type here username. Press the select. I choose another username. Write here password, confirmation password. Press on the finish. Now my Google account has been done. I can open now any Google service account. Now I will open my Gmail account. Type here mail.google.com. This is my Gmail account. Now I can use this account very easily on my mobile phone. To get more updates, subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching this video.